First, log in to your DealMachine account using your credentials on the website or app. Next, navigate to Account Settings in the menu. Then, click on Billing and Subscriptions within the settings. You'll find an option to cancel subscription here. Follow the prompts. Introduced in Q3 2025, the in-app cancellation wizard will guide you. You may be asked for a cancellation reason, but this is optional and can be skipped. Canceling your subscription immediately stops future billing cycles. However, you will be billed for the remainder of the current billing cycle. According to DealMachine's policy, refunds for the unused portion of your billing cycle are issued to your original payment method. Expect this within 7 to 10 business days, though some users report longer delays. Make sure you get a confirmation email of the cancellation. Crucially, before canceling your DealMachine subscription, export your data to ensure you don't lose important information. Navigate to Account Settings and select the Data Export tool. Here you can download your leads, campaigns, and analytics in convenient CSV or JSON formats. While DealMachine retains your data for 30 to 90 days after cancellation, having your own backup is always the safest approach. This export feature was significantly improved in 2025 based on user feedback, making data transfers much smoother and more reliable. SaaS cancellations are evolving toward user-centric policies that prioritize customer experience and feedback. These policies focus on transparency, easy data portability, and incentives to retain users, driven by economic pressures and competition. The platform uses cancellation requests to gather insights and improve services, with their parent company emphasizing user surveys post-cancellation. These chatbots will predict user needs based on usage data, making the process smoother and more personalized. This shift addresses rising costs and offers flexibility, potentially reducing churn by aligning payments with actual usage. Stricter privacy laws could require immediate access to data, ensuring seamless transitions between platforms.